YouTube? It's your boy Mo, tapping in off top. And today we will be going over two shoes that's been having these streets on fire. The Undefeated 4s and the Nigel Brick by Bricks. Boy, this is a battle. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which one out of these two takes the belt. The Undefeated 4s are a military design influenced by MA1 jackets. However, the Brick by Bricks are influenced by the red buildings in Queens. Both of these shoes come with very, very unique boxes. The Brick by Brick box is very creative. Very, very creative. You see how we get the bike air on here, and this actually has a texture to it, y'all. The box has a texture to it. Like, this actually feels like a legit brick. So the Undefeated 4s come in a regular silver box, just like some Air Jordan 13s. Besides the logo on the box, it's nothing really too special on here. My Undefeated 4s came with orange laces. I'm probably gonna do a lacing tutorial at the end of this video for y'all. The Brick by Bricks originally came with red laces, but the spare ones were these sale ones right here. So I was like, let me just go ahead and put one pair of sale on because it was just too much red for me. I needed to add some razzle dazzle to these, you know what I'm saying? Both of these shoes come with a very, very smoky suede on them, but I think the Brick by Bricks is a little bit smokier. Let me see. Yeah, that one feels closer to regular suede. These feel buttery. I'm not even being biased. I can't be biased, y'all, because I have them both. So I'm just telling you like it is, man. Don't get mad at me. Feel me? I'm being straight up with you. This feels like a velvet suede. This one feels like a bread 4 suede. It is what it is, though. On the cakesters of these shoes, we get Nike Air on the Undefeateds, and we get a nice bike Air on the Bricks. Them both look good. I can't lie. It's really all preference. Nike Air on the back is a classic, so I will never be mad at that. But this is an interesting little concept right here, the bike Air. I mean, that's pretty creative. I'm not mad at either. On the tongue of the Undefeateds, you do get the rare air concept that we seen on those blue 4s. Damn. That thing is on there sturdy. Boy, that Velcro is strong. There we go. That looked nice right there. On the brick tongue, we get like a Flight 89 type vibe. I don't know if y'all remember the Flight 89s that came out back in the day that they used to have in the East Bay. And that's what we're seeing on the bricks. The one little concept about the bricks that is clean to me though is these 3M hits, bro. Them things is hidden, bro. Them things be hidden. Feel me? They flash, and you never know when they're gonna flash. So that's one little concept that I think makes the bricks stick out. So now it comes down to the moment of truth, y'all. Which shoe is better? I mean, that's all preference, I would say. It depends on a lot of stuff. It depends on what your favorite color is, when you were raised. Like if you are OG or a YN, that plays a big part. The OGs might lean towards the Undefeateds more. The YNs might lean towards the bricks more. I mean, that's just a comparison right there. And that still is not always true. So, y'all like, why is he running around this subject? Let us know which one you like more. Which one do I like more, huh? It's hard, y'all. If we're going straight based off of looks, I'm leaning towards the Nigel Brick by Bricks. It's just a great design. Look at that. That's beautiful. I would not sell my bricks for these, but I might sell these for some bricks if I didn't have any. I definitely would do that if I knew how clean these were before getting them. Mind you, I just got these today, and I'm still not feeling them more than the brick by bricks. But don't get me wrong though, I still like them. They still smack. They still smacking. But as of today, I don't feel like they're better than the brick by bricks. Maybe I just need some time to sit on them, and maybe I'll feel different, but I feel like I instantly would know that. But they look good though. Y'all got one more chance on these on sneakers, so we'll see what happens. The resale on these is already tanking, so I mean, we'll see after the release on sneakers. The brick by bricks, those aren't coming down. But there you have it, y'all. In my opinion, the Nigel brick by bricks take the belt. Pootie tanged up. Come on, man. Yeah, but them is both wet though. No bad. Before I go, let me relace these Undefeated 4s for y'all. They got my shoes choking. Once again, they always choking my shoes. Like, I'm not about to go hooping these, bruh. They be tripping. you.